Welcome to Pip Insight. Monday the 13th of July, London pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture for showing bullish structure and 3 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's London pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure: Euro-Dollar, Pound-Dollar, Dollar-Yen, Kiwi-Dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure: Gold-Dollar, Dollar-Swiss, Dollar-Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold segment, here it is, and there's plenty to work through this morning. Gold is sitting at around $4,087 heading into the London Open, and the structure remains bearish on both the 4-hour and 1-hour charts. Price has been carving out lower highs and lower lows since rejecting hard from the $4,147 area on the 9th of July, and that sequence hasn't been broken. What we've seen during the Asian session is a recovery from a low of $4,052 up to current levels, but that's a bounce within a downtrend, not a reversal. The EMA20 and EMA50 on the 4-hour are both sitting above price at $4,105 and $4,111 respectively, acting as dynamic resistance, and the MACD histogram continues to deepen to the downside, keeping that bearish momentum reading intact. The resistance zone to watch is $4,092 up to $4,102, that's where the bounce runs into meaningful overhead supply. Below, the support cluster sits between $4,050 and $4,060. On the fundamental side, today's calendar is relatively quiet for gold. We have Fed members Bowman and Waller speaking, and any hawkish tone on rates could firm up the dollar and add pressure on gold. Watch those $4,092 and $4,050 levels as the key pivots heading through the session. Euro-Dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.145 and 1.14961. Support is marked between 1.1395 and 1.1428. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound-Dollar. The chart is showing tentative bullish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.3425 and 1.3451. Support is marked between 1.3365 and 1.338. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Yen. The chart is showing tentative bullish structure on this session. The moving averages are fanning above price. Resistance is marked between 162.34 and 162.62. Support is marked between 161.28 and 161.95. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8095 and 0.81086. Support is marked between 0.8053 and 0.80742. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.5786 and 0.5794. Support is marked between 0.5759 and 0.5766. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.4149 and 1.4175. Support is marked between 1.411 and 1.4129. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the London pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.